Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this array. OYRREU 23 6 cm double office table. It's a desk with sockets. It's a computer table with a fabric doors, storage space, and a printer shelf. LED gaming table with lightning. And the office desk works awesome with a nice table function with industrial wood. The experience seamless working side by side on this 236 centimeter long desk. This is ideal as a large desk for 2 people or as a workstation for 2 monitors. With everything at the computer table, an office table or a PC table. The extra long work table is for studies and so on. It offers a plenty of space for gaming desk setups and produces for a productive work as well. And we put our gaming table with the LED or a computer desk stylus in scene. We have adjustable RGB LED strips, created ambience. The integrated socket desk with a socket 2 AC and 2 USB serves as particle charging station. That's perfect for personal computers, desk users, gaming desk setups, and proper cable management. And practical desk with a drawer and plenty of storage space. 2 utility drawers plus an A4 file compartment provides us clarity. Whenever we are looking for a desk with drawers, or a computer table with shelves, or an office table with order. This desk here with storage space combines functionality for office, for study, for the table, and for gaming. And we have a large space for printers, keeps the device away from the main work area and optimize our working table and workflows. As an additional printer space, this offers a clear area for us and for our printers. Additional, that's really cool. That's an office and a home office place for 2 people or an extensive setup. And this large extra long desk is versatile as an office table, a study table, a gaming desk, or a bedside desk. Whenever we are looking for a personal computer table, a work table, or computer desk, this design here is for 2 people, offers sufficient space, storage and space, of course, and comfort for every user, and stable and stylish. It is for versatile use. And I think 20 minutes and the jobs of the assembling will be done. Maybe 40 minutes. And of course you can add another couple of it. Then you can have a workspace for 4 people in an office, for example. Enough power supply for 2 people and enough utility drawers and a file drawer. All for you. And adjustable feeds which makes the job complete. For study, for the living room, for the office area, or for the bedroom. Where you need it, you can get it. This here is the Arreo double office table. It's a desktop for 2 people, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.